we see this friend, his Instagram post. More than 1,700 posts were made, more than 1.3 million followers, and his post, it looks pretty simple. Just a motivational word, words or famous sentences. It got 290,000 likes and 180,000 likes and 210,000 likes. Also looks not very ordinary and simple post. Let's go to the second channel. Also in the Instagram account about success quotes. The account has 2.9 million followers. These quotes are not all in this style. Extremely simple. Just white text on a black background. I can get so many people to like it. Let's look at the third account. This is the same type. It has 530,000 followers. The fourth channel has 310,000 followers. What they have in common, it's all motivational language. An extremely simple post. But it brings in this crazy amount of traffic. If we can make good use of this traffic, to earn passive income through LIVEGOOD alliances, this is a very large market. Monetize Instagram traffic. Become passive income. So how to do it in a simple way by batch. Make a post like his. Just like I've made these posts. It's very easy to do. And I can still use Chat GPT. Canva comes with AI intelligence on top. Robots to write these quotes in batches. It makes it very easy to create thousands of posts. Post it on Instagram to get crazy and cash in. If today's topic, so don't miss out on today's episode. Because there's a lot of creative skill in the video. I will share it with you without reservation. Say no more. Let's get started now. First, let's look at what is the LIVEGOOD League. Why do we choose alliances to make money? The main benefit of the alliance. You don't need to have your own website. You don't need to have your own product. You'll be able to sell your product for immediate cash. LIVEGOOD, it can help you. All you need is a simple act of sharing, also known as the sharing member economy. What is membership economy? It's like Costco. He earns a year in membership fees. That's more than $4 billion. There's $18 billion in membership revenue at Sam's alone. Amazon membership revenue. That's a whopping $40 billion profit. It's just a simple membership fee. The same LIVEGOOD brings together the membership economy and the internet. There are also integrated companies in the health industry. The health industry is the outlet of absolute wealth in the future. Why do you say that? Now people's life is getting richer and richer. That is, more and more attention to health. What is the most important thing for you to have money? To save your life. So health is the absolute trend of the future. LIVEGOOD encapsulates all three trends. But what distinguishes LIVEGOOD from the three different companies above? The difference is these three companies. All membership income. It won't have anything to do with you. LIVEGOOD, on the other hand, can take all of that membership revenue. Share the global profits with each member. That is, the LIVEGOOD business is a global business. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. The company will develop the market with you. Such good things. Other companies have not. To share such a big piece of cake with you. For example, today you joined my team. Maybe you don't have any recommendations. People recommended by me and my referees above me will also be put under you and be a part of your team. We're a team business. Even if you don't have the ability up front without any recommendations, the people I recommend, it all slides down to your team. The proceeds of this bonus, as far as one can get, more than $2,000 a month. What I just talked about is the Matrix Award, which is one of the company's 7 awards, one of the lowest paid awards. Some other bonus details. Not all of them are introduced here. If you want to learn more, you can go through my AI toolbox. Here is an explanation of the bonus program in both English and Chinese. If you are a Chinese country, you can click on this Chinese to open it. You can see the bonus plan here. And how can I join LIVEGOOD as an affiliate? Which means running the business. If you are an English-speaking country, you can click on this English. Open this page in English. Can see about the official website of a LIVEGOOD bonus program. How do I become a member? I'm going to talk about it in great detail here. First, become a member of the Alliance. Click the link to sign up for free. Just fill in your personal information. Create an account. Very simple. Just fill in your name. Then fill in your contact email address. This is very important. Then we come to the second part. How to create in batches. These inspirational Instagram posts to come. Post to Instagram to get a lot of traffic. Like this friend. All he has to do is put a link. You can attract a lot of interested netizens to open the website. Instagram monetization is that simple. First, we come to Canva. See the first option, doc. Come to the AI to create copywriting function. Open it up and you can see here. Let's go through the text in the cursor. There's a plus sign here. Click the plus sign. You can see that this is written by AI. And then all you have to do is fill in the mission requirements. What do we need it to do? I asked him to write 100 quotes about wealth. Now I just need to enter. Here he quickly used AI to create 100 of these quotes. That way you can. Very efficient and quick to write these posts. You don't have to have great literary ability. AI can quickly help you write the last 100 posts. We just need a carriage return will do. All you have to do is copy those things. Copy this content. There's a second way. To write these posts, you can see Chat GPT. Write the copy quickly and quickly. So, such a copy can help you save a lot of time. You don't even need to know English writing skills. I was able to create such a good quote sentence. And this famous sentence, I believe that whether you are now or past or future, they are very popular. Such topics are eternal. Human nature does not change. That is, everyone needs encouragement. All of these are needed at some difficult times in life. We need these sentences to encourage you. So motivational language is at all times. It's a very good market. We can see his side. It was written quickly. Over 80 epigrams have been written. If it is not enough, you can ask to continue writing. He stopped automatically. We actually saw over 80 of them. That's more than enough. All we have to do is copy this one. Then we come to Canva. We need to search for some templates here in Canva. Enter a template for a post about Instagram. You can search for many of these templates. So, what I've just done is this template. We can also use this template. These templates are very many styles, very good looking. We can take a look at this post. This style is good. Click to open it and have a look. And then we started to create. You can see there's an app column on the left. That is to find the bulk authoring program. We are here. Just type in a search to find this program. Enter bulk create. Then we click on the bulk create program. Add the input data. That's what we need. First, delete the original data, or click the clear button below and the data will be gone. Take what we just copied, paste it right here. Make a copy of this Chat GPT, or these inspirational quotes that we've created here at Canva. Copy it. Either way is fine, and then we'll just paste it here. I've already put in the quotes. After typing, you just need to be here in the bottom right corner. Confirm these figures here. And then we can see, I want to put this text in here. We need to select this data. Click Data, then select the data we just entered, and then go ahead and import this data in. Can see, all the data is imported. In turn, we just need to click to create a batch of creations. Create this post. Let's click Start Create. And you can see that it was created very quickly. Is it very fast? So it'll be ready in a minute. You can see, make these posts. Is not very perfect. Make these posts. You can see how these posts compare. It feels like we created it. These versions of the template are much more beautiful and rich. We can put these posts directly into these styles. Feel free to change your style. Because we're going to, it can be found in Canva. Connect directly to your Instagram account. Upload them to your Instagram in bulk. Isn't it very convenient? Or you can download it. That is, through. Select all of your posts here. Then, download it in bulk all at once. And then we can post it on Instagram. We can see a creation on the left. To create your post, the next step is to upload your posts. It's that simple. Which you can see, there are thousands of posts posted. To attract so many fans, you have to persevere to see results. Right from the beginning, probably got very few likes. But as long as you stick with it, a lot of people see your post is good. Then they'll start retweeting. So you can attract a lot of people to pay attention to you. And of course, the most important thing is for you to remember. Put your link here. So we're at this time. Must also be back to your LIVEGOOD affiliate back office. This is a very important part. After you sign up as a member, if you're already a member, then you can put your link. That's the link. Remember not to misremember. That's the link at the bottom. Copy it. And then I put it here. And put it on your Instagram account. There is another way, like me, to make a website through this short link. Create an explanation page like this one in both Chinese and English, which is where I am. How do I join the alliance? How to get high commission through Instagram. This video is about the bonus program. These videos. I'll send you the material. That is, if you're already a member of my team, I'll send you the footage. You can create something like me. Use these videos to upload to your YouTube channel, so you can follow this link. Let's put it here. Make such an automated transaction page, which is me. All these members joined. That's how they all got in. I don't need any communication from you. When he gets the hang of the business, they do it automatically. To join your team, just joined you without any recommendations. Then I recommend the person. Put it on your team. Will be your source of income. Then of course, if you have that ability, do what I did to create this transaction page. Then you can. There is a 50% commission per referral. You can earn a steady stream of passive income. That means growing your revenue-generating team. About how to join this section, you can see the content of this video in detail. How to join the alliance in detail. If it's in English, you can see this in English. This video explains how to join a member. You can find a contact information above. You're already a member. You can contact me. I'm gonna post all of these footage videos. We'll send to you. You can contact me if you have any questions. I'll do whatever I can to help you. Promote LIVEGOOD through the internet to build a team. On my channel, I also keep updating more methods of promotion. You are promoting the internet to promote this piece. Don't you have to worry about how to promote on the internet? Because I'm already on my channel. Make some of these ways to promote alliances in both English and Chinese. If you join my team after, together, let's build this business across the globe. When you really get to know the business, you just knew? This is a very big business opportunity, and you can see below the website. There are many people from all over the world. You can see here. You can run this business in any country. There are many people in all countries of the world. Already through this platform, to earn very high returns, you can still pull it down to the bottom. You can see it here. The English version of the explanation of the alliance bonus. And you can pull it down. These are the 7 big awards. It's very clear here. There is also an English version of the video. Your friend who doesn't speak English, you can just look at mine. This explanatory website in both Chinese and English. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.